letting the sky cry with me, trying to wash the pain from yesterday's decree. Each drop a memory of promises you made, now just echoes in the storm, a love that starts to fade. How does it taste to get away from the heartbreak you create, leaving me on the receiving end, sealed by a cruel fate? On the receiving end of a double-edged sword, I can't believe you're asking for more. Is this some kind of reward? Do my tears affect you? Do they even make a sound? I don't think I'm starting to like you anymore. Lost and never to be found. I gave you all my trust, laid my heart within your hands, but you shattered it to pieces like castles built on sand. Now I'm picking up the fragments, trying to find my way out of this labyrinth of sorrow into a brighter day. How does it feel to walk away, leaving destruction in your sway? But I won't let you define me. I rise above the fray. On the receiving end of a double-edged sword, I can't believe you're asking for more, but I won't be ignored. Do my tears affect you? They fuel the fire in my soul. I don't think I'm starting to like you anymore. I'm taking back control. Maybe someday you'll understand the damage you have done, but I won't waste my time waiting. I'm moving on, I've won. On the receiving end of a double-edged sword, I can't believe you're asking for more, but I'm walking out the door. Do my tears affect you? They're washing you away. I don't think I'm starting to like you anymore. I'm free to start today. The rain has stopped, the clouds have cleared anew. Dawn is breaking, I'm leaving the pain behind. A new path I'm taking.